Gravity docks act by means of a vertical wall structure which holds the land backfilling behind them, mainly through the effect of its own weight. The different types of gravity wharves are block wharves, submerged concrete wharves, and caisson wharves. Block wharves are made from the group of parallelopipedic concrete blocks put in position by crane from land or pontoons onto a previously levelled bedding layer. For making easier its manipulation, they can be made with lightweight hollowed pieces, which can then be made solid later on after being placed. This solution usually fits between depths from 6 meters to 12 meters below sea level. To manufacture the block size we need for this type of wharf, Rover Maritime uses metal formworks as well as special formwork pieces designed to reduce swell reflection. We also have a variety of cranes and auxiliary means in our disposal to carry out the dredging, filling up the bedding layer, levelling, and block placement. The submerged concrete types are used for depths not deeper than 12 meters, and the main advantage versus block wharves is the need for less land space, as they do not need a prefabrication plant facility. However, the concrete must be pumped in using an underwater system. To accomplish this, Rover Maritime has different systems available, such as sliding three-sided formwork supported by crane from land, floating formworks, which do not need the support of auxiliary cranes. To ensure quality when constructing submerged concrete wharves, Rover Maritime has invested in underwater techniques to control the concrete in process, maritime topography techniques to guarantee the wharf's geometry and alignment, research into concrete fabrication, mixing formulas, additives, sand, etc., and auxiliary equipment for pumping, hoisting and manipulating the formworks. The caisson wharves usually are more efficient for depths between 12 and 22 meters. They are vertical structures similar to those used in vertical breakwaters. They're constructed with reinforced concrete floating caissons with interior void cells placed over a rock bedding layer and have sufficient weight to resist the force of the existing filling on their backfill. We have invested in the construction, creation and acquisition of a floating dock facility to manufacture floating reinforced concrete caissons. Finally, pile piers are similar to the so-called open work jetty. These wharves do not contain any backfill material, but rather they advance beyond it and penetrate the sea to attain the necessary depth. Pile piers are recommended for areas where the aim is to reduce the ground swell reflection, and they may be bordered either by a land platform created with material filling or directly by water. To guarantee quality in the construction of pile piers, we at Rover Maritime have concentrated our investments in auxiliary methods for the driving of sheet piles, combi walls, metal piles, and dredging methods for the interior of the piles to enable the concrete pumping if necessary.